Where are we, in a giant penthouse? No, a teeny, teeny, tiny little house. Actors spend so much time in trailers. People think of actors as having this like luxurious lifestyle, and for the most part they're in these tiny little motorhomes. And it actually runs on a biofuel made of 80% coffee grinds. Well, this entire home is powered by coffee. Kind of like me. My favorite element, other than this pillow, which I picked out and really love, is the lock. And if you come into the little bathroom, it's not that little for New York. It's got a washer dryer, the epitome of luxury. It's got a full jacuzzi tub. Where are we, in a giant penthouse? No, a teeny, teeny, tiny little house. Fresh flowers, an accent that should be in every home, no matter how small. Everything you could possibly need. Smart storage. More closet space than I had in my New York apartment. These stairs open up and there is a dining room table that seats 4. Badass closet that I really wanted for my house. I don't know how I never got this, but the tiny one got it. Full fridge. Leads to this area, which you can stand up in completely. Skylights, lots of light. The most unusual thing about this tiny home is probably the garage door, and it means that there's a lot of air and there's a lot of light. There's a little terrace. Shake Shack right across the street. You can have really nice pieces. You don't have to sacrifice luxury or convenience to have a tiny space. It's just about doing it in a smart way. I'm trying to convince Dunkin to give me this for my trailer.